Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we're going to be unboxing and trying on my February Stitch Fix box. Very excited. I haven't gotten one of these in a little while. For those of you that are unfamiliar, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. They send you 5 pieces of clothing that you can choose from and decide what you want to keep. What you don't want to keep, send it back. It is very flexible, so you can get these boxes either every month, every other month, or every quarter. I'm currently set up on every quarter, but you can change it throughout the year very, very easily. So let's go ahead and see what came in this month's box. All right, so this is my bundle for the month, or for the quarter rather, and it is thick. This is a thick baby and I'm excited for it. One of the things that I love about Stitch Fix is that all of this is picked out by my personal stylist. So you take a quiz at the beginning, you can update your quiz at any point in time, but it really tries to get a feel for what it is you're looking for. Do you need office clothes, home clothes, leisure clothing, stuff to work out in, stuff for going out in, like all that kind of stuff, so that they can curate this box for you. And I think it's really helpful because I think we all sort of get into our own little style ruts, and it's nice to have somebody else picking something out because they may see something that you would have never expected. So this is what we got. Let's go ahead and rip her on open. All right, so the first thing on top is this little blouse. It has little leopard prints on it. It feels nice and light without being completely transparent, which I like. I don't necessarily love when something is super sheer because I never am quite sure what to put underneath it, but this is kind of that perfect sort of in between of something that is very lightweight without being sheer. So excited to try that on. This is from Market in Spruce, which is probably my favorite Stitch Fix brand. I really like this brand a lot. This is really pretty. It's this really bright sort of kind of peachy salmon color. Again, it is a little bit more lightweight, so it's layerable, and it's really nice for going into kind of the spring season, which, let's be honest, we're not there yet. It's still early February, but it gives that piece some flexibility. Ooh, this looks pretty. You guys know clearly, you guys know I love purple. So this is from the brand Fate, and it is just a kind of chunkier sweater. Very excited about this. The other thing that is super bulky in here is this. It's got this really like soft, I guess, kind of Sherpa teddy bear sort of liner, but it's a gray sweater. Oh, that's so soft. Excited for that, excited for that. And we've also got some jeans. Let's take, oh, I can already tell I'm not gonna love these. Look, I don't personally prefer distressing. I might be able to roll I don't know. I just personally, on me, don't like it. I think on other people, it looks really edgy and really cool and really fun. For me, not a fan. Also, just sort of pragmatically, I have a cat. This just screams toy. So, all right, let's go ahead and try all these pieces on and see where we land. All right, so here we have the first top, that kind of lightweight leopard print blouse. And I like it. I think it fits really well. The sleeves, even though they're 3/4 and they have this sort of tie right here, they don't constrict my elbow when I move it, which is really, really nice. It doesn't feel like I'm trapped in it. And it is actually quite flattering. I really like the color against my skin. And this is definitely a win. I like this. Here we have the Market in Spruce top. Again, I think the color works really, really well with my skin tone, and I think it feels really lightweight and comfortable. I'm not 100% sure I like how it hangs on my body though. So I think that's the thing that I would have to really very much consider. What I also forgot to mention with the other top is I am wearing the pants. The pants are very comfortable. the skinny jean, which by the way, I'm a millennial and you will not be able to pry my side part or my skinny jean from me because I love them. They are really comfortable and I'm kind of bummed because I really just dislike the ankle so much. I'm going to see if I can roll it, but I'm afraid that that would make them a little too short. I don't know. We'll have to see. But the top, I'm not 100% sold on. What do you think? Okay, and while we're here, thought I'd try this on, and there are a lot of things going for it. It's definitely on the warmer side, which is nice. I love this lining so much. I think it hits at a good kind of place on me, but it has no pockets. You guys know me and my desperate need and quest for pockets, so that's a major deterrent, which is sad because it's very comfy and I do quite like it, but I need to have pockets. I just do. I think this is my favorite thing in the box. I really like this sweater a lot. I love how it hangs. I love how it feels. I love that the sleeves are fitted without being too tight. So again, they move around. That for me is important. I move around a ton in my day, so I can't ever feel like trapped in my clothes. I love the color. I love the feel of it. It's very soft. I think that for me, this is the clear winner of the box. Yeah, now let's just see what everything costs. Now that we tried everything on, let's talk about our thoughts. Now, when you go and you sign up for Stitch Fix, they do have a styling fee that's charged in advance of each box that is $20. However, that $20 styling fee is then applied to anything that you choose to keep. And if you decide you like the whole box, then you actually get an additional 25% off of that box, which is really very cool. So when you get your Fix, it comes with a lot of stuff for you. So one of which is the prepaid return envelope. So if you don't want something or you want to exchange something for a different size or something like that, you've got your postage paid envelope, which is great. They also have some sort of examples of what you can pair some of these things with, but you also have the all-important pricing guide. So let's talk about everything that came in my Fix and what I'm going to keep and what I may or may not. So let's start with the blouse because it's what is on top. So again, this is what it looks like. I really enjoyed this. It fit very nicely. I think it flattered my body. It was all around a win in my opinion. This is from the brand Lush. This is the Warren split neck blouse. It is a size large and it does retail for $44, which for Stitch Fix seems about on par. The next thing that we have here is, what are you? I think I know what this is, but let's see. This is from the brand Letty and Me. This is the Helsa Sherpa Trim Cardigan. The color is gray, obviously the size is large, and it retails for $54. So I like this, but the lack of pockets is really what is turning me off from it, which again is a disappointment because I really liked it otherwise, but especially in something that is supposed to kind of double as a jacket. I need my pockets. Sorry, I keep touching my hair. I need my pockets. I just do. So that one I think is going to be a pass for me. The next item is again from Market and Spruce. It is this sort of just lightweight top. This is the Riviera cable knit something or other. It's in the color coral. It is a large and it retails for a whopping $58. That for me is a lot. So I wasn't crazy about this one and the way that it hung on my body. I really enjoy the color, but if it's not something that I'm trying to get better about, only keeping or purchasing things that I love, that when I go into my closet that I'm going to be excited to put on, and if it's something that isn't hanging the way that I want it to or fitting the way that I want it to or isn't exactly the color that I want it, then I don't need to be spending my money, especially to the tune of $58. So I think sadly, as much as I love you Market and Spruce, that one is going to be a pass as well. The next item that we have here is the last one that I tried on. This beautiful purple sweater, which I think I mentioned is probably my favorite thing in the box. So this is the, by the brand Fate, it is the Clarina textured pullover. The color is purple, the size is large, and it's $68, which is definitely expensive in my opinion. But if it's something that I'm going to wear a lot and get a lot of use out of, then it's money well spent. So maybe. And then finally, the jeans. I'm sad about the jeans because they fit well, but I don't like the distressing, and when you roll them up, they come too high and they kind of pinch at my leg. And sadly, as I mentioned with the coral top, if it's not something that I'm going to enjoy wearing, I don't need to be spending money on it. So these are the Prosperity Lena Super Skinny Released Hem Jeans. The color is indigo, the size is 14, and they retail for $78. Definitely not going to spend $78. Definitely not going to spend $78. So, hoo-wee. So, yeah, I think we're really only looking at keeping 2 of the items, which is better for my wallet. If I were to keep everything, then it would total $302. However, as I mentioned before, there is a 25% discount if you choose to keep everything in the box. So that would have knocked $75.50 off. Plus, we would have my styling fee knocked off. So that would have brought the entirety of the box down to $206.50, which I don't think that I would get $200 worth of use out of. So I think I'm definitely making the right call. Oh, I just wish, because yeah, even just the 2 pieces that I'm wanting to hold on to is well over $100. So that's a bummer, but my styling fee will be taken out of that. Yeah, I think those are the only 2 things I'm gonna keep. What are your thoughts? What would you have kept out of this box? And do you get Stitch Fix? Do you enjoy it? Let me know. Also, if you have been watching these videos and you've been curious about Stitch Fix and want to get signed up, there is a referral link in the description box below. If you choose to use my link, first of all, thank you very much. What it will do is it will get you $25 off of your first box. It will also give me a referral credit of $25. So if that's something you are comfortable with, again, thank you. If not, there are tons of different codes out there, so definitely don't feel like you have to use mine. This is a standard promotion, so definitely let me know what you think. As always, everything that I'm wearing will be linked in the description box below, and if you have not yet subscribed, I hope that you'll consider doing so. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.